So I am not a big fan of cleaning in general, so anything you can do to make that job a little bit easier on me is best for me personally, and it makes me clean more when it's convenient. So I use this actually for my bathroom. This is Lysol bathroom cleaner, and it is kind of like the foaming, scrubbing bubbles style cleaner. And for me, it just works really well. A minute or two before I take a shower, I just spritz this all over the shower to kind of let those foaming bubbles kind of sink in, and then I leave it sit for a little while, and then when I go and take my shower, I can just rinse it all off, and it kind of did all the scrubbing while I was waiting so that I don't actually have to scrub my shower stall. But it works great. It smells nice. It's very simple to use. I use it on my sink as well, just not as often. But like I said, squirting this into the shower and maybe even 15, 20, 30 minutes before you're going to get in there, no problem. Just leave it sit there and do the work. And then when you are ready to wipe it off, then you're going to do a lot less scrubbing in order to get off all the stains and all of the kind of soap scum that builds up on your shower that's really gross. So this is a great product. I'm sure you've heard of it. Lysol is a huge name brand that most of us have grown up with and used most of our lives, but this is a product that I use that makes my cleaning experience just a little bit easier. That way I get it done a little bit more than I would otherwise have to do if I had to scrub it by hand. So I definitely use this stuff. I like it and I would recommend it.